What did the ancient Dacians eat? Their diet, like their culture, was unique. They were skilled farmers and fierce warriors. Understanding their food tells us about their lives. Their diet was a mix of local ingredients and influences from other cultures. The Dacians were deeply connected to their land. Their diet reflects this connection. We can learn about their values and beliefs by studying their food. Agriculture was the backbone of the Dacian economy. They grew a variety of crops. These included wheat, barley, millet, and rye. These grains were staples in their diet. Vegetables were also important. They cultivated peas, lentils, onions, garlic, and leeks. These provided essential nutrients. Fruit trees like apple and pear dotted the landscape. These offered a sweet addition to their meals. Livestock played a crucial role. Sheep, goats, pigs, and cattle provided meat, milk, and cheese. These supplemented their plant-based diet with protein and fat. Wine was a central part of Dacian culture. They were skilled viticulturists. They cultivated vast vineyards. Wine was not just a drink, it was a sacred beverage. Wine was used in religious ceremonies. It was also an important trade item. The Dacians traded their wine with other tribes. This brought them wealth and influence. The Romans, who later conquered Dacia, were impressed by their winemaking skills. They adopted some of the Dacian techniques. This highlights the sophistication of Dacian viticulture. The Dacians were not isolated, they interacted with other cultures. The Roman conquest had a significant impact on their diet. The Romans introduced new ingredients and cooking methods. Olive oil, a staple of Roman cuisine, became popular in Dacia. Spices like black pepper and cumin added new flavors to their dishes. Roman baking techniques influenced Dacian bread making. Greek culture also left its mark. The Dacians adopted the use of grapes leaves in cooking. They incorporated Greek cheeses like feta into their meals. This cultural exchange enriched the Dacian culinary landscape. What did a typical Dacian meal look like? Well, they ate a simple but nourishing diet. Bread was a staple food, often accompanied by cheese, vegetables, and porridge. Meat was a valued food too. They enjoyed pork, beef, and mutton, which were roasted, grilled, or stewed. Game like deer and boar supplemented their diet. Honey was a popular sweetener used in desserts and drinks. Fruits like apples, pears, and plums were eaten fresh or dried, while nuts like walnuts and hazelnuts added crunch and flavor. Delve into the rich flavors of ancient Dacia with us. Subscribe, hit the bell, and join our culinary explorations. Discover the secrets of foods that shaped civilizations. Savor the stories and history behind each dish. The Dacians may be gone, but their culinary legacy endures. Modern Romanian cuisine is a testament to their influence. Many traditional dishes have roots in Dacian food habits. Mamaliga, a cornmeal porridge, is a staple dish, similar to the grain porridges eaten by the Dacians. Sarmale, cabbage rolls filled with meat and rice, reflect the Dacian love for hearty, flavorful dishes. The Romanian passion for wine is another inheritance. Romania is a major wine producer today, a tradition that can be traced back to the skilled viticulturists of Dacia. Certain ingredients hold a special place in Romanian cuisine, reflecting the enduring influence of Dacian food preferences. Apples, a symbol of abundance, are used in countless dishes. Honey, a natural sweetener, is still prized and used in cakes, pastries, and drinks. Dairy products like cheese and yogurt remain popular, reflecting the importance of livestock in Dacian agriculture. These ingredients tell a story, connecting modern Romanians to their ancestors and providing a taste of history. The ancient Dacian diet was more than just sustenance. It was a reflection of their culture, values, and connection to the land. Their food habits have left an indelible mark on modern Romanian cuisine. By exploring their diet, we gain insights into their lives, understand how they interacted with their environment, and see the impact of cultural exchange. The foods we eat today are not just meals, they are a living legacy, connecting us to the past and telling the story of our ancestors.